check my computer clock. Okay, this is set to Arizona time on my laptop. So this is midnight Arizona time or 3 a.m. Eastern. So it is right about the beginning of the sweet spot. This you can see that the price spiked up here into the resistance area. You can see that right over here on the hourly bar. So as we focus in here on the hourly, we want to pay attention to the fact that this reversal happened very quickly. So the possibility of getting in on this type of reversal is pretty remote. In other words, you don't want to count on trying to trade uh, to trade to trade. Sorry for stuttering and stammering at you. I'm fumbling around with my little touchpad mouse here. You don't want to try and trade aggressively as price comes up to the top, but you also need to be flexible enough to realize that it's still a decent trade if you are um, selling underneath these lows over here. So you've heard me say in the past that if there's too much distance in a 3-bar reversal, in other words, if I'm looking to go short here and my target is only down there, and say this is 20 pips worth of profit, but I'm going to have to risk, say, 35. I apologize for my penmanship there. That's just not a good trade. So you need to be flexible enough to understand that if you're getting short on the lows here, let's go over and measure. Uh, there would be bar number 3. We've got 79 pips worth of risk, or I'm sorry, 79 pips worth of profit. Really about 51, and I'll explain why I'm looking into that. There we go. That's a bit high. Right there. Okay, so we've got 51 pips worth of possible profit. I'm measuring that from the low here, this would be on the 3-bar reversal, down to this double bottom here. You don't want to get into the habit of trying to look for too much profit. You want to gauge the potential move very conservatively to decide whether or not you have a trade there. And actually you can see that the market didn't really get much past those lows before it did wind up going sideways. So not only did this reversal happen very quickly, but also was outside of a good risk reward. This is where the 2-to-1 ratio comes in. It is simply a guideline where I'm going to look for twice as much profit as I have risk. And right here you can see we're nowhere near that. Pardon me. So this would not be, number one, an easy trade to take, and also would not have been long term a good trading opportunity because of the risk reward.